Hi, this is a test video for Far North infrared sauna control box after repair. This is Andy. I am operating the repair business myself, but I have been repairing for 12 years and I'm working for Blackstone Saunas as well. So here, that's a sticker. So free parts for the control box and the keypad till 2032 June. That is more than 7 years free parts warranty. So this plug, I put a light here to prove that the heater is working. This light goes, the light here, just to prove that both lights are working. And this color light goes here to prove that the color light is working. Now, if I put my hand here, sorry, I'm just looking for the temperature sensor. If I put my hand here, then the temperatures will increase. So we will see the temperature increase. It's already 28. So now we are going to press every button. So that's the Far North button. On, off, light, roof light, reading light, and again, on, off. So if we set the temperature to be 28, then the light is off. The reason this heater off is because the temperature at the sensor was very high due to my hand touch it. So if we wait a couple minutes, this heater light will be on. But meanwhile, we can turn on the reading light, the roof light, just to test everything. So yeah, you see, the heater light is on because the temperature dropped to be 26, which is lower than what we set, so it's on. So if I put my hand on the temperature sensor, then watch it. The light will be off. The heater light will be off because it's higher than what we set. So thank you for watching. That is the test video for the Far North control box, and have a wonderful day.